So when you have a full electric setup here, you can have our head unit installed. Obviously all your factory options are going to work, steering wheel controls, like cameras and all of that. Then the really cool thing is all your actual add-ons you can do. So we've got the DAB app here, so you can add in like a DAB, that's an external antenna up there, that's all installed. So if you do want to run like DAB, you can do that. So this customer has our tire pressure sensors installed. So like these can like run on the car and also on your like Caravan if you want. So you can have up to 12 like sensors. You can run internal or external ones. They just look like that. So that's going to like warn you if there is ever any dramas with your tire pressures or like temps. You can see we're hooked into the car's CAN systems as like well then, because it shows the door open. You can have offline maps, so you can actually install like HEMA, this like Magic Earth. There's a few other ones we cover, but you can install those from the Play Store there, or install them direct. That's why it's handy. The actual like, unit is an Android tablet as well. Then you can have your car scanner, which is hooked to the OBD2 like dongle, which plugs in under here, which we include in the majority of our kits. So that plugs into there, and that allows you to check and clear our engine lights and have things like trans temp, whatnot coming in here. Then the other thing we have going on is that you obviously got a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, fairly handy. And then you can do like more extra things on here, just like you can have a Caravan like camera or external like camera installed, or you can have one of our like dash cameras, which is installed up the top there. You can see actually looking pretty good behind the rear view mirror there, and that can be accessed from here, and you can view the pass-up footage and see what is all going on there. So that just like gives you an idea of what you can do for a touring like setup on your car if you want to have a bit more stuff going on. So you can have those actual add-ons going on. So like common ones for our like customers are the like Caravan camera or the second camera, the tire pressure like sensors. Obviously DAB is not very important if you're touring around because you aren't going to get reception. You'll be on your classic AM or FM. The actual like dash camera, so you can have a front and a rear view of that if you like want. And then installing off-road like actual app maps or other apps that you actually want to install, because you can treat a unit like a big tablet. Caravan camera, I think I covered that. And the other thing is you can actually hook our units into Starlink and stuff if you do want to have internet going on when you're remote.